Ladies and gentlemen, guys and gals, thank you all for joining me today. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. I'm going to share with you my secret. Well, it's not really a secret, but I love gaming and I love finance. So what do we do when we put them together? We get an ETF. This isn't any plain old ETFs I'm talking about. These are esports ETFs. And what makes this really unique is that now esports is hitting an all-time high. We have actual championships. We fill stadiums for esports. And what makes this really cool is that these ETFs invest in the companies that work in the esports arena. So you have like Nvidia, Activision, Blizzard. In fact, there's even universities that are recruiting students into their esports teams. There are countries with esports teams everywhere from Russia to Jordan to the USA to Canada. Esports is exploding, and even in Japan, it is huge. So it would naturally make sense to have esports ETFs, so the finance folks can get in on the action. And what we have are two of my favorite ETFs, the ESPO and HERO. So let's take a look at ESPO. This is the OG of esports ETFs. It's a VanEck video game and esports ETF. You can see in their top 10 holdings, they have companies such as Electronic Arts and Nintendo, Activision, Blizzard. These are huge companies within the gaming community. They produce AAA titles. Everybody knows them. You also have, graphics card makers like Nvidia, another huge asset, especially for the computer gaming community. ESPO was first introduced in 2018 at just under $30 and is currently sitting at over $80. What makes this unique is you can tell by the graph, if you see on my screen, over the past year, it's been directly correlating with the actual esports industry. So it actually performs really well over time. This isn't a get-rich-quick, ETF. This is a steady, progressive, long-term hold ETF. As the industry develops, so will your portfolio. And to give you some perspective, in my portfolio here, I've made approximately 29.35% off of ESPO. And for you dividend lovers, it does pay out dividends. It's not much, it's 0.10%, but it's still something. Next up, we have Hero, or as I like to call it, Esports Mini. It has a very similar holdings as the ESPO ETF. However, this one is a lot cheaper. This one's currently sitting at around $36. It was first introduced back in 2019 at around $15. So you can see how it's almost doubled in only a matter of 2 years. What makes this one really unique is its price point, let's be honest. For people who are looking to invest and get into it and they want to have as many shares as possible, this is about half the price as the ESPO ETF. This one also does pay a higher dividend yield at 0.59%. As you can see in my SoFi portfolio here, it has gained approximately 23%, which is outstanding. And there you have it, two of my favorite ETFs that are esports stocks. One thing to note is by 2022, some predictions are estimating that the esports market is going to reach over $200 billion. This puts it as one of the fastest, if not the fastest growing forms of entertainment. That's up there with sports. I mean, think about the NFL, the NBA, how profitable those industries are. Now imagine esports. And it's only gone even more so over time with the whole COVID crisis. Everybody's at home and you can watch esports from the comfort of your own home. And you can even play esports from the comfort of your own home. I mean, think about platforms such as Twitch. Even Facebook has now integrated Facebook gaming. And there you have it. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or if there's another ETF or stock you want me to go over, go ahead and leave that down in the comment section below. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Until next time.